Good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to our virtual science class. Dear students, in our last class we discussed about the adaptation of polar region. Right, all of you memorize that one? In lesson 7, climate, weather and adaptation, we discussed adaptation of polar region and what are the main differences of climate and weather. These all the things we discussed in our last classes, right children? Today I am going to discuss with you another topic, that is adaptation of rainforest. You can check what is tropical rainforest and what is the climate of tropical rainforest region, and also how animals are living in that tropical rainforest. We can check one by one. So dear children, next we can check what are the main features of tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest which lies on either side of the equatorial region. Okay, either side of the equatorial region. That's why hot and humid climate and hot throughout the year also. Okay, and day and night are almost equal in the tropical rainforest. Clear all of you? Then plenty of rainfall we can see in tropical rainforest. That's why wide variety of animals and plants which are living in tropical rainforest. Okay, and the main animals which are living in tropical rainforest are monkey, gorilla, lion, elephant, lizard, snakes and other insects also. Okay, so next we can check what are the main adaptation of animals which are living in tropical rainforest. We know that what about the climate and weather of tropical rainforest. We already discussed very hot and humid climate and hot throughout the year also, right? So next I am going to explain with the adaptation, how animals are living in tropical rainforest. We can check. That is, animals, the special features are sensitive hearing. Even it is a soft sound that animals can hear it. For example, we can say elephant, a large ear. It helps for them to, even it is a soft sound, they can hear easily. Okay. Then sharp eyesight. Sharp eyesight, thick skin and skin color. We can say the example like chameleon and polar bear. They have thick skin. Okay. And also they can chameleon, they can change its color match with its surrounding. Okay, skin color also can change. That is one adaptation. So we call them as a camouflage. Okay, so these all are the main adaptations of tropical rainforest animals. Children, we know that these adaptations help them to protect from the predator and they can easily catch the prey, right? And here I am going to show some examples with the picture. You can check it. Okay, first we can check red-eyed frog. What are the adaptations? Just look on this picture, children. This red-eyed frog which are live on tree and it has developed sticky pads on its feet. You can check, and which help them to climb trees on which it live. Okay, and green color helps to hide within leaves. That red-eyed frog's color is green, which helps them to hide within leaves. Children, we know that in red-eyed frog has sticky pads on its feet. For why, children? What is the adaptation of that sticky pad? It helps for climbing on trees, right? And it has, its body is a green colored body which helps them to hide in leaves. Okay, so these are the two adaptations of red-eyed frog. Next I am going to explain about monkeys adaptation. Next animal, monkeys. You can check its long tail for grasping the branches and it helps them to live on trees. When we are checking, its hands and feet are such that they can easily hold on to the branches. Monkey, we can see that its long tail help for them grasping the branches, right? And hands and feet which help for them holding the branches. These are the main adaptation in monkeys. Okay, next we can check about the toucan bird. Look on this picture, children. We can see in toucan bird long and large beak it has, right? And which helps them to reach the fruits on branches which are otherwise too weak to support its weight. Next is lion-tailed macaque. It is also called beard ape. Beard ape. Okay, it is live in Western Ghats. And this macaque is very good climber. Major parts of its life it spent on tree itself. Standing feature of lion-tailed macaque, it has silver-white mane which surrounds head from the cheeks down to its chin. And it feeds mainly on fruits, flowers, birds, etc. Next adaptation is elephant. We already know that adaptation of elephant. Okay, then you help me to say what all are the children? Think about its trunk, its tusk, and its hair. Just think about it. And at the end of the trunk, we know that holes are there. It is a strong sense of smell. It used as a nose, right children? This trunk used as a nose, and it helps them to pick up the food also, right? And next about tusk. What is tusk, children? We know that white color, that teeth is modified as a tusk. Elephant can easily tear the bark of trees with this tusk. Next adaptation of elephant is its large ear. Large ear which helps them to hear, even it is soft sound they can easily hear, and it helps them to cool in tropical rainforest climate. What is the climate of tropical rainforest, children? It is very hot and humid climate. This ear helps them to cool in this tropical rainforest climate. Okay children, so these all are the main adaptations of animals which are living in tropical rainforest. Clear? So I am going to wind up this chapter. Hope you understand about this chapter. Read this chapter 3 times, and as soon as possible I will take a class test based on this chapter, so we can meet in our next class. Thank you.